Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming power stability. Plug in if battery is low. Once ready, open Start, go to Settings, then System and Power and Sleep. This puts you at the control panel for battery behavior. Make sure to click Additional Power Settings on the right. This reveals power plans and advanced options. You do this now so subsequent steps change the active plan. Otherwise, resets will affect the wrong configuration. Keep a note of the current plan name in case you need to revert. You select the active plan and click Change Plan Settings because that targets the plan Windows uses. Then choose Change Advanced Power Settings to access granular controls. Once there, click Restore Plan Defaults to reset CPU, display, sleep, and battery thresholds back to Microsoft defaults. This fixes misconfigured timers or throttling. Make sure to hit Apply and OK so settings save. You do this to remove custom tweaks that cause battery drain or unexpected sleep behavior, restoring predictable power management. You finish by rebooting. A restart ensures the reset takes effect across services. Then, to verify, open Command Prompt as administrator and run powercog/battery report. This generates a report you can review for capacity and usage trends. If battery problems remain, update the battery and ECP drivers via Device Manager or perform a battery calibration. Fully charge, discharge, then fully charge again. One troubleshooting tip. If Windows ignores changes, uninstall and reinstall the Microsoft ECP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.